How to cancel NGL Pro subscription. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can cancel an NGL Pro subscription. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video. So if you want to cancel your NGL Pro subscription, you can directly head over the NGL application into your device, and once you're here, you'll be finding this dashboard on your screen. So the first thing, when you head over to the inbox section, you will be finding new messages and everything right here. So when you go ahead and tap on this boost send this, you'll be finding this option that lets us purchase the pro version of the NGL. So you can start by adding a payment method and purchase the pro subscription of NGL. So once you purchase the NGL Pro subscription, if you want to cancel it, the method you can apply up is close your NGL application and head over to the Play Store into your device. And once you are here, go to the top right corner of your screen. After that, you can go to Payments and Subscriptions, and here you'll be finding all of your subscriptions right here available if you have done any subscription. And remember to use the same Google account that you use in order to buy the subscription. After that, you'll be finding your subscription right here, so you can go ahead and tap on the subscription if it is available. After that, cancel option will be also available right beside it or below it. You can just go ahead and tap on it, continue with the prompts, the on-screen prompts, and go ahead and cancel out your NGL Pro subscription. So that is it. This is the method you can apply up. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.